Ain't nobody's down but us.
Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Djanesha for those who may or may not know, and we're back with another freaking video. And as you guys may know, in my past life I used to do press-on nails as a business, okay? It was booming, but I decided to take a turn and go into education instead. But I still have all the products and all the things that I used when I was in that business, so every now and then I like to dibble and dabble and make my own set of press-on nails, which is what we're going to be doing today. And as y'all know, all these products are most likely from Shein or Amazon, and yeah, I'm going to be using a lot today in this video, so let's get started. So the press-on nails that I'm using are going to be by Macart, and I did shape them myself. And as you see, I have 3 clear nails and 2 white nails just because I didn't have the right sizes in the clear nails, but it all works out in the end. So I'm going to first dust them off. I did all my prep already, and I'm using a alcohol and acetone solution just to remove any excess dust that's on top of the nails. You always want to use a base gel. The base gel that I'm using is from the Beatles brand, and I love using the base gel because it gives the nails longevity. These are press-on nails and they're very reusable, so that's why you want to make sure they last as long as possible, especially if you take them off the correct way. Baby, you can wear these nails about 5 times, I'm pretty sure, probably more than that. As you can tell by that last clip, I did get some new detail brushes from the Beatles brand, also from Amazon, and that's what I'm going to be using to do my line work. And for my base coat for these nails, I'm going to go in with this light pretty powder pink, and the brand of that one is Amelia from Amazon as well. Nice, I love that brand. I use it often. I have about 4 or 5 bottles of that same color pink. It's like a pinkish nudish color, so that's what I'm going to be using on the nails. That's going to be my base. So the next gel color that I'm going to be using is from iGel Beauty. It's the pink cotton candy in the pearl color collection. So instead of using like a chrome powder, I like to use this to give that pearlescent effect as well. And I'm going to be using that on the ring finger and the thumb. The next color I'm going to be using is 455 from Beatles. I got it in the gel collection from Amazon, and I'm going to create a half French tip, but not a curved French tip. It's just going to be straight across on the pinky and the middle finger. Alright, so now we're at the fun part where we get to decorate and design our nails however we like. And as y'all could tell by the thumbnail, this set is really extra, a little extra for my taste, but I really did enjoy creating this set and stepping outside of my comfort zone, and it just came out really beautiful to me. And so I'm not going to talk much during this process. I'm just going to let you guys watch, because I can't even remember which order this went in as I'm doing this voiceover. So I'm just going to let you guys watch and enjoy this part and put on some relaxing music so y'all can just enjoy me just designing the nails.
Until I find a way, I will say the only words I know that you'll understand.
That's JP.
Is this love? 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 Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? 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 Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Is this love? Is this I'm willing and able. So I throw my cards on your table. I wanna love you. I wanna love and treat you. Love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter, yeah. Oh yeah. Of my single bed, we'll share the same room, yeah. Would you provide a bed? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling?
I just want to hop on here and say that this was my first time working with chrome powders, y'all, and it was a struggle at first. Like, I had to redo this nail 2 times at least, and it's really tricky to work with. You got to make sure your base is like the right tacky for it to stick, but it ended up turning out really well in the end.
This is what they say, crunk, throw it up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act, Adam still bankhead, college park, cover home, hummus floating on chrome, choking on that homegrown, they got that southern cooking, they got them fellas looking, thinking I was easy, I can see it, that's when I say no,
So that is the last nail that we're going to be decorating, and this set took me a little over 4 hours to complete. That include breaks, so it did take me a little long. And I'm going to go in with the nail contour top coat. I love the top coat, like that's my all-time favorite top coat that I've tried so far. And we're just going to top coat all the nails, even the jewels, so they won't turn. And yeah, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this kind of content, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next freaking video. Bye.